Welcome to Netcom Training's video on how to create a LinkedIn profile. This video will show you a step-by-step guide on how to get started on LinkedIn in order to maximize your full potential and your profile. So first things first, you need to register your email account and set up a password. Now you'll need to insert your full name. I'd recommend that everyone uses their actual names because you're going to be using your LinkedIn profile to make applications. And remember, first impressions count. By inserting your location, you'll allow LinkedIn to notify you of vacancies in your local area, so you don't even have to filter it out. And here, you'll need to insert your most recent role, so be as accurate as you can so you receive vacancies that are related to your profession or what you're hoping to get into in the future. If you're unemployed or a student, you can also tick the I'm a student button, which will allow you to insert your education information. So now you need to go onto your emails and access the verification code that you'll need to verify your account. So you can insert that into LinkedIn. So now you'll need to state your purpose. So if you're looking for employment, you'll just need to select the applicable option that's available and click next. Now you'll need to select your desired role. You can see some of the examples that we've selected. So we've selected IT support and first line support analysts. So you can select those options which are applicable to you and your location. So LinkedIn can actually filter through all of the options and vacancies that are available in your local area. So you'll get a refined search on your jobs page on your LinkedIn profile. Now you'll need to set your notifications. So this actually allows LinkedIn to send notifications to your email if you miss them on the app itself. Now you can share your profile with potential employers and recruiters to let them know that you're open for them to contact you for potential vacancies. Now, if you choose not to go with this option, you can actually click the toggle button to deselect that option so employers won't contact you directly for vacancies. So the next step is actually to build your network. So what we advise is for learners to ensure that you connect with previous classmates, your previous tutors, your previous employers, so you can build your network up. And when you start sharing posts and liking posts, your profile will get a better reach, which means more people will actually see your profile. You can also connect with Netcom Training and your progression officers so they can actually share your profile and your information on LinkedIn too. Now you will need to select causes that are close to your heart. So if you're interested in humanitarian aid, you can select that. If you're interested in education and the education sector, you can select that. So please select which causes are super close to your heart. And those causes will actually be shown on your feed so you can stay up to date with current trends and updates with the sector. So now this is your homepage. So this is where you're going to be able to see all of your network's posts and their reposts, and if they've liked certain posts, they will actually show on that page. So this is how you stay connected with your network. And on your homepage, you'll then be able to create your own posts. What I'd like to recommend is that you be super mindful of what you comment and post on LinkedIn, because those comments and posts will be shared in your network and they do get a further reach than what you'd anticipate. So please be mindful on what you're liking and sharing and commenting on people's posts, because potential employers can see your comments. So please be mindful of that. Now, on your homepage, you'll be able to see a navigation bar at the top. So you've got home, network, jobs and messaging. Your homepage will take you to your homepage, so you'll be able to see your feed and what people have posted. Your network will allow you to connect with people that are similar to yourself, and you can connect with them directly through the networking option. Jobs takes you to the job page, so that's where all the active vacancies are placed. And messaging, this is for direct messages. So if any of your network or anyone from outside of your network wish to communicate with you, they can do so via the messaging button. Now, the rest of this video will contain information on how to maximize your LinkedIn profile and how to add value to your education, your work experience, and your skills. In order to access your profile, click on Me in your navigation bar, then click on View Profile. This will then show you your actual profile. Your profile should look similar to this. Everything you insert here will be viewable to your profile visitors. If you need to amend your name, headline, or current position, you can do this by clicking on the pen button in the top right corner. This box will appear. Please insert your headline. This is searchable and people can find you based on the information you've inserted in here. You can select and deselect if you want to have your current employers in your intro. As you can see, we have amended the headline to Sales Assistant at Asda, First Line Support and Junior IT roles. This will increase your visibility to potential employers and recruiters. Now, if you click on the Add Profile section, you can add all of your education, previous employment history, and your skills. Click on Add About. Here, you can give an overview of your skills, experience, and passions. Please see the example we have provided to give you a brief understanding of what to write. It's important to discuss software, tools and experience you have in relation to the IT sector. Make sure you click Save. Click on Add Profile section again and click Add Education. Please add Netcom Training in here and insert your course title, start dates and end dates, activities. So in here you can talk about what software and tools you've used in the course. You can link specific skills to a course you've studied, so feel free to add in software and skills you've explored. And once you've received your certificate, this can also be uploaded and attached to your education. So if employers need evidence of your qualification, they can find those right there. Click on Add Profile section on your profile again and click on Skills. Here you'll be able to list your skills that you will have picked up throughout your employment history, and this is also easily searchable for employers. If they're looking for a specific skill set, they're able to find you because of the skills that you've linked to your profile. You can also link your previous skills to your education and your previous employers too. As you can see in the example provided, you can select where you gain these skills, so you can tick which experience you want to link the skills to. Please be aware, you can only link your skills to an education provider or an employer if these have already been added to your profile. So if you've not done that, you need to add the employers and education providers to your profile, then you can add the skills that are associated to that place. Click on Add Profile section again and click on Upload Photo. This will allow you to add a photo of yourself onto your LinkedIn profile. Please make sure these photos are professional, where you look presentable and neat and tidy for employers to see you. You can also select a frame to add to your photo. So these highlight your profile according to your purpose. So are you open for work? Are you actively looking for employment? Or potentially in the future, if you're hiring, you can then change this to hiring so people can contact you about vacancies you're recruiting for. If you don't need a frame, you can keep it as the original, so no frame will be added. Once you've completed this, you will be asked to edit your job preferences, locations, just to double check that you've made the right selections. And you can also select options to state if you're interested in on-site work, hybrid roles, or completely remote roles. Your locations will be added and you can add more than one location here. As you can see, we've added in London, West Midlands, Liverpool to just keep our options open. You'll also be asked again to double check your email preferences, so confirm all of those and then update settings. You can toggle these on and off, and if you ever need to change these settings, you can go on to the settings option. You can use LinkedIn to carry out job searches. Like previously mentioned, you can do this by clicking on Jobs on the navigation bar. This will then take you to the vacancies page. The vacancies displayed on this page will be relevant according to the information you added to your profile, including job titles, skills, and even your education. If you click Show All, you will see a full list of potential vacancies that match up to your skills and abilities. Now you can see a full list of vacancies. You can select the roles you're interested in, and an overview of the role and the job description will appear on the right-hand side. When you're ready to apply for a vacancy, you can do this by clicking the Apply button, which is in blue. Some employers' vacancies will direct you to an external website for you to create an account and upload your profile and cover letter and complete the necessary application forms. There is an option to easily apply for jobs, which will allow you to apply for vacancies using your actual LinkedIn profile. Therefore, it's important the information on your profile is accurate, presentable, and well written. So, now you can see some of our top tips. So these are some of our recommendations from our team at Netcom Training. Once you've established your profile, definitely send the link over to your progression officer so they can support you by reviewing it. Make sure it's ready to reach employers. Good luck.